Most online course platforms charge you every single month just to host content you created. On top of that, many take a percentage of every sale you make. You did the work, they take the cut. And if they raise their prices, change their terms, or shut down, your entire academy goes with them. There's a different way. Learnomy is a complete learning management system that runs on your WordPress site. You install it once, that's it, no monthly bill. Build courses with a drag-and-drop builder, add lessons, upload videos, organize into sections. No limits on content. Every student gets a clean, focused dashboard. They track their progress, pick up where they left off, and see exactly how far they've come. Quizzes auto-grade, certificates issue automatically when a student completes a course, with a permanent verification URL, so the credentials actually mean something. Pay payments are built in, Stripe, PayPal and WooCommerce, all in the free version. Accept payments from day one, no add-ons to buy. Offer memberships with monthly or annual pricing. Your students subscribe once and access everything you unlock for them. And because Learnomy runs on WordPress, you own everything. Your data, your students, your content. Move hosts anytime and it all moves with you. Learnomy is free to install, no monthly fee, no transaction cut. Your academy, your rules, get Learnomy free.